Hi guys, you are most welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliana Amoateng. If you are seeing me for the first time, you are most welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. Today, I'm going to show you 12 different ways you can style your soft locks. And I'm going to start by moisturizing my scalp with this oil. It's a mixture of Ayurvedic oil and Chibi oil. I use it to moisturize my scalp, to give my scalp enough hydration, and also give myself some massage so that blood can really circulate well in my scalp. In fact, this hair, so many people has complimented me. So many people have complimented me. English. People have complimented me so much, and I'm so grateful that you love it. Now, this is the first style, to put it by the sides, and then the second one, I'm just going to fetch some strands and do a half up, half down. And I'm also going to put about 2 strands in front of me, and I'll use a band to tie it. No, actually, I actually didn't use a band. I used the strands of my hair to actually tie it. Alternatively, you can actually use a band. I wanted to use a band, but I was like, well, my hair can still do it anyway. But with this particular method, make sure that you are not straining your scalp. Otherwise, you are really going to feel the heat when you do the wrapping around the half up. Okay, and you can equally fetch the same strand of hair that you have hold up, and it will be like this. Then the next one, same with that half up, half down. I'm just going to turn it into a band, like a high band around. So I simply wrapped it around the band, and this is how it is looking like. You can see it is given. You can send these styles to anywhere you want. And then this next particular style, I'm just going to put some of the curls to my front. Okay, so that they will just lay in front of me or my face. Okay, so I'm just making sure that I'm tucking in the hair such that I will still get enough curls so that it will fall right on my forehead down to my face. And this is how it is looking like. You can take this one on a date specifically. Okay, then this particular style, I'm just fetching some amount of strands and I'm twisting it into a bun, something like a Bantu knot. Okay, that is how I am doing it. In fact, I love colored hairs, but this particular soft locks has really given me that impression that yes, black hair really do look good on me. If it complements my color so well, it brings out my features. I just love it. Maybe moving forward, I'm going to be doing a lot of black hairstyles, like black colored hairstyles. Yeah, but let's see. I mean, I change my decisions or my choices most of the times when it comes to hairstyles. So let's see. So this is how the 2 bands or 2 Bantu knots look like. And you can bring the hair to your size, or you can push it backwards depending on how you do it. And then you can also fetch 1 strand of each hair so that they will fall on your face to give it that curly look if you want it more extra. Okay, if you want it extra. Okay, so next hairstyle, I'm just going to remove the Bantu knot, and I'm folding that same strands, and I'm using a band to tie it and opening it up like that, so that it will be something like a messy 2 hair strands or 2 hairstyles on your side. And this is how they are looking like. It's so chic and nice. Now, using the same strands of hair and the half up that I parted, I'm just going to twist them to the side, and then I will pass it over to my back and use this clip to hold it whilst I do the same thing for the other side. Then I'm going to remove the clip and use a band to secure at my back, so it will be 2 twisted sides. And it's very, very simple and so classy, chic. You can send it to the office, you can send it to a dinner, a date, school, you know, anywhere that you want to send it, to church, you know. And this is how it is looking like. So simple, classy, and beautiful. Okay, then this particular hairstyle, the same twisted size that you did with a bag, you just twist the bag to and wrap it to look like a bun. Okay, so very, very simple. You don't have to even clip anything, because if you tie the wrap or the bun very well, you won't have to apply any clips to secure it very well. So basically, this is how it looks like. Then the next hairstyle, I'm just going to part all my hair to one side, and then I will push the remaining to my shoulder and push it all the way to my front. And I'm making sure that the lines or my parts are very clean at the side that I'm making sure it wants to be seen. Then over here, instead of using a band, I use the strands of hair to wrap it around so that it will be secured and put together. And this is what it gives at the end of the day. Very, very simple. If you have tender hair, this hairstyle is very, very good for you, because it doesn't stress your scalp or anything like that. and it's very chic and simple. Okay, now moving on to my scarfing styles. I use this scarf that I have, a scarf, I just say scarf. I use this scarf, so colorful, and then I tied it around my hair, but I wanted all my hair to, if you want a very high bun in a simple way, just do what I did and your hair will be very high and sleek. And this is how it is looking like. You can equally use any hair scarf that you have available. And then with the second method of the scarf, in fact, you can do any style with this scarf so far as it complements the style that you are looking forward to. And instead of doing the bun, I just brought it all the way to cover half part of my hair, so that it will be something like an all back, just like this style. It's very simple. You can do like a Friday wear or something like that, you know. And then with the next hairstyle, I'm using this what I actually use is socks. You guys, can you imagine? I use socks to tie it upwards, and then I use my hair wrap to wrap it all around to cover part of my hair. Then I use my hair strand to cover the socks or the band. If you use the band here, you can use your hair to cover it. And this is how it is given. So simple, classy, chic. Every occasion you can fit it to, and you don't have to stress if you are in a hurry. All the styles I'm giving you today are so practical. In reality, if you're in a hurry, you can equally do that as well. And then all together, these are the styles that I came up with. Let me know what your favorites are. I'm going to see you in my next video. Do catch up with me on my Instagram and TikTok. I love you. Thanks for staying with me today. Have a blessed day. Bye. Love ya. Mwah.